In this video, we're going to look at the new 1.8 firmware for the Novation circuit. Today, we're just going to look into the non-quantized record function. So what this function does is it records in microsteps. So in other words, that allows us to record different times for each note per step. We can enable this function by pressing Shift and pressing the record button to toggle this light. So when it's bright, it's going to be quantized. When it's dim, it's not going to be quantized. So I'm going to press Shift and Note here, and we're going to play in some drums. So we're going to start off recording quantized beats, and you can hear very clearly the difference. This is unquantized. So right now I'm going to illustrate what microsteps are. So we're just going to insert a note right here. And all we have to do is go into gate here, and when we hold down Shift now, and we have that step chosen, we can see here a row of lights. This you would imagine as that step extending out or being projected across 6 divisions of that one step. You can actually see on the next line here, we see green, and that's just to select a note. So what we're going to do is add another note. So I'm going to hold that down and press this. Going into gate now, holding down Shift, we see 2 green lights. Now each green light is each note that's on that step. So we can select both and change the microstep, or we can choose one and change the microstep. Now see, I have this one hitting here and this one hitting in the middle. So if we play it, you can hear the difference.